Don't waste a precious resource like free leaves. They do a lot for your garden. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. We all have leaves that fall on our property or very easily accessible from adjacent properties or friends that we know. Leaves are very powerful to the soil. They cover the soil, which protects it from the winter or from normal everyday sun scald, but also it actually feeds the soil. Leaves have a lot of nutrient value to them, and they break down and they can feed your microbial life as well as the earthworms. They also make a great mulch. Now, large leaves such as oak leaves are recommended to be shredded or broken apart, as if you just lay them on the ground, they create a very thick mat which is hard for water to penetrate through. Maple leaves that have spots on them, or maple spots, are perfectly fine to use, as they do not transmit that disease over to vegetation that you're growing in your garden. Pine needles work well as a mulch too, but they take a long time to break down. Now, you can store your leaves, dry leaves that is, in bags in a shed or a garage and use them throughout the summer months as mulch. We take leaves and build them up over our grow beds in the fall to where it's 2 or 3 foot high. Then in the spring we'll rake them back if we're planting seeds, or bring them back if we're planting a start, and then move the leaves back over the area to cover the soil. Great sources of leaves and a lot of benefit the garden can get from them. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.